Amazing facts about animals. Which animal has the best memory? Elephants are able to remember locations of water and food sources even after decades. Can animals get hiccups? Yes, dogs, cats, and some birds can experience hiccups. I wonder, are they as annoying to these animals as they are to us? What animal has the strongest bite? The saltwater crocodile has the strongest recorded bite force of any living animal. What is a group of flamingos called? They are called a flamboyance. How many species of animals are there on Earth? There are approximately 1.5 million species of animals in the world. Which animal lives the longest? The bowhead whale can live to more than 200 years old. What is a group of owls called? A group of owls is called a parliament. Do animals dream? Studies suggest that animals do experience REM sleep. This indicates that they dream just like humans. My dog, Lexi, certainly does. Sometimes I have to wake her up from a nightmare. What is a group of whales called? A group of whales is called a pod. What is the largest animal on Earth? The blue whale can grow to 100 feet in length. It can also weigh as much as 200 tons. What is a group of snails called? A group of snails is called an escargatore. What animal has the largest eyes? The giant squid has the largest eyes, relative to its body size, of any animal. Some have been measured up to 10 inches in diameter. What animal can go for months without sleeping? It is the bullfrog. Leeches are freshwater, blood-sucking annelid worms. How many brains does a leech have? A leech's body is separated into 32 separate parts. And each of these segments has its own brain. So it has 32 brains. How many pairs of testicles does a leech have? They have 9 pairs of testicles. How many stomachs does a leech have? It has 10 stomachs. These animals also have several hundred teeth. They are awesome animals with an amazing amount of brains, testicles, and stomachs. How many hearts does an octopus have? It has 3 hearts. Can animals recognize themselves in a mirror? Yes, some animals, like dolphins, elephants, and a few primates, have shown self-awareness by recognizing themselves in mirrors. Can animals be left-handed or right-handed? Yes, some animals like chimpanzees, gorillas, and some cats can show a preference for left or right. Which animal has the most teeth? Snails hold the record for the most teeth, with some species having over 20,000 teeth. What is a group of ravens called? A group of ravens is called an unkindness. Can animals experience emotions? Yes, they can. Research suggests that many animals experience emotions such as joy, fear, and sadness. What's the only breed of cat that is born with no hair? A sphinx. What is a group of rhinoceroses called? A group of rhinoceroses is called a crash. Which dog breed is the fastest runner? The greyhound. What is the largest land animal? The African elephant holds the title for the largest land animal. What animal has the most taste buds? Cats have the most taste buds, with around 470 compared to humans' 9,000. What is a group of kangaroos called? A group of kangaroos is called a mob. What animal lives for only a day? The mayfly has one of the shortest lifespans, with some species living for less than a day as adults. How many stomachs do cows have? A cow has one stomach that is divided into 4 compartments. They are the rumen, reticulum, omasum, and abomasum. What's the world's most popular pet? Dogs, of course. Sure, how could we live without them? What's the average lifespan of a domestic cat? Around 12 to 15 years. Which cat breed is born without a tail? The Manx. What is a group of jellyfish called? A group of jellyfish is called a smack. What is the smallest dog breed? The Chihuahua. What's the most common coat color in cats? It is a tabby. What is a group of hedgehogs called? A group of hedgehogs is called a prickle. What's the average number of whiskers on a cat? It's around 24. What is a group of cobra snakes called? A group of cobra snakes is called a quiver. What's the average number of hours a cat sleeps per day? Around 12 to 16 hours. That is a lot of sleeping. Which animal can regrow parts of its body? The axolotl, a type of salamander, can regrow its heart, limbs, and even parts of its brain. What's the world's smallest cat breed? It is the Singapura. What is the loudest animal in the world? It is the sperm whale. It produces clicks that can reach up to 230 decibels. What is the fastest animal on Earth? It is the peregrine falcon. This bird can dive at speeds of over 240 miles per hour, 386 kilometers per hour. What animal has no brain? Jellyfish have no brain or heart, but they can still live because they rely on a nerve net to sense their surroundings. Which is the largest animal on Earth? It is the blue whale. It can reach up to 100 feet, 30 meters, in length and weigh as much as 200 tons. What is a group of butterflies called? A group of butterflies is called a kaleidoscope. What animal can hold its breath the longest? The Cuvier's beaked whale can hold its breath for over 3 hours underwater. What animal is responsible for more human deaths annually than any other animal? It is mosquitoes, because of the lethal diseases they transmit to humans. What is the tallest land animal? It is the giraffe. Males can grow up to 18 feet, 5.5 meters, tall. How long do koalas sleep during the day? They spend up to 22 hours a day sleeping. What's the largest domestic cat breed? The Maine Coon. What animal can kill you in minutes with its venom? It is the box jellyfish. What animal has 3 hearts? Octopuses have 3 hearts, 2 for pumping blood to the gills and 1 for the rest of the body. How many teeth have snails? Some species have up to 25,000 teeth. What bird is the national symbol of Canada? The common loon. What is a group of geese called? They are called a gaggle. What bird is known for its incredible memory and ability to solve difficult problems? The crow. What are the only birds that can fly backwards? It's hummingbirds. What is a group of crows called? A group of crows is called a murder. How many ants and termites does an anteater eat in a day? Giant anteaters eat up to 35,000 ants and termites in a single day. They use their long, sticky tongues to suck up hundreds of ants per minute. For more facts about animals, click on the subscribe button.